Yes, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Afrobeats in FL Studio. So let's get straight into it. So if you're making Afrobeats, you basically need to have some elements for you to know that your beat is actually done. So the first element you need to have are your drums. So with my drums, I just have a very simple drum pattern. Sounds like this. So basically I set my tempo to 101, then I have my kicks going at a 4-step pattern, then I just add a bongo, a rim shot, or a snare to give it that bounce that goes like this. This is basically a hi-hat, it's a hi-hat sound, but it sounds so heavy that it feels like a rim shot or a clap, but it works. So sometimes too, you can use weird sounds. You don't always have to use like a real snare or a real percussion or a real, just use something that sounds like the bounce you're going for, Then once I have those two patterns, my kick and my snare, every other thing I'm adding is just to give the groove more flavor. Like I added this conga here, and another percussion here. It is a shaker. So with the shaker, you can use multiple shakers to get that shaker groove. Then I added one more shaker again to make the whole thing bouncy. Then you add a bit of swing too. Without the swing, once you add the swing, then another clap just to support the main pattern. And kick again. So very simple basic drum pattern. Then the chord progression, I'm using the 6-5-4 chords progression. Very simple chords. So just pick a scale. I'm picking G major. So for my G major, my 6 is my E minor, then my 5 is my D major, then my 4 is my C major. So I'm just going very simple. But then the thing is, you have to find a way to strum the notes. Like if you pick a guitar sound, you might not be able to play a guitar the way you play the piano. So one good thing to do is to strum the guitar like it's play the melody like you're playing a real guitar. So you see I'm going E minor, D major, then C major. I just picked the guitar from Omnisphere. Then the next thing I did was play the chords 6, 6, 5, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. So something like that. I used the piano from Keyscape. Then I added one more melody here. I'm just following a pentatonic scale using a melody. Then I just picked another melody from Arcade. Just gonna be like a background sound. And I think the last thing I added was this percussion and the bass. I'm just following the chord progression. I'm using this preset from Purity. So when you put all that together, you have this. I added the shaker too from POJ to add more groove to the shaker loop. So sometimes you don't want to play the melodies together because they might be clashing. So you might find a way to separate the melodies when you're arranging your beats. Then the bass line to, you know, to fill in that low end part. Because if your beat is feeling empty, sometimes you might need to add a bass or a pad to fill in all the frequencies in your beats. Hey guys, catch you guys on the next one. This is a very short video.